happier man in the city of Birmingham at this moment in time. Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan, 90 metres and 18. Got his lead back in round 5 after that personal best in round 1 of 86.81. A games record for the Pakistan athletes, a record that has stood since 1998. First ever gold for Pakistan in this event. It's their only medal that they achieved here in Birmingham. Fifth of the World Championships recently, fifth of the Olympics, and now gold for Arshad Nadeem here in Birmingham at the Commonwealth Games. Well, 32 different nations have won medals here in Birmingham.